Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Originally built for the son of Oscar Hammerstein, Walder's Run is where you will find the spectacular north coast view of Montego Bay's harbor. This estate is predominantly served by solar energy and is equipped to run its 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Open to the living room and bar, the expansive main kitchen adjacent to the pool makes entertaining a dream. Secluded and private, Walder's Run is situated on over 3 acres that is well fruited with mango, coconut, guava, cherry, and starfruit to name a few. Beyond the saltwater pool lays a stone path lined with coconut trees, guiding you to the end of the property, where you will find a fish pond surrounded by exotic flora and fauna. Walder's Run is an exquisite property with exceptional views. Guys, let's take a look at this beautiful property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.